Yeah, so I'm Dr. Nat Thorne from the Nottingham Centre for Transgender Health, and I'm the Education, Evaluation and Research Associate here. Yeah, it was a wonderful day, but yeah, the thing I spoke about was actually including trans people within clinical research, because obviously it's an area that's massively overlooked. I cited a literature review recently which suggests that out of thousands and hundreds of thousands of clinical trials last year, only around about 78 of them actually included trans people. And a lot of those were really kind of to type. They were a bit like sort of sexual health, and they were, HIV. So it was things that would probably have been quite inclusive anyway. The issue that we've got is that obviously trans people have illnesses like everyone else. I've got eczema, I've got asthma, I've had the COVID injection, and we need to know that our particular needs are sort of included within that. And obviously a lot of trans bodies can be quite different. We obviously quite often have hormone treatments, or we have surgical treatments, and therefore it's sort of needs that kind of get left behind, I think. Yeah, I think it would be really positive to get trans people into research, and I understand for some people it can be difficult because in their area they're not sure how clinically the treatments we do at the clinic affect the person, but I would argue there's another bit of research for you. So yeah, I think it's really important to get trans people in research. There's going to be a lot more of us in the future. We can see from like primary schools and secondary schools, there were no trans people when I was at school, like absolutely none. And then all of a sudden you go to a class now and there's 3 or 4 non-binary people, and so this is an issue we can't ignore. It's coming up, and I think it's important to get ready for it now by starting to get that language more inclusive in adverts, and to really reach out to people.